2025. Pursuant to paragraph 1-6A17 section 2, chapter 1, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Regulation Guide 131-054, General Headquarters, dated 29 June 2012, the Military Merit Medal is hereby awarded to Corporal James N. Valdez, 896 279 Infantry, Philippine Army, for meritorious and invaluable service rendered as a Grenadier, Rifle Squad 1, Rifle Platoon Headquarters, 7th Offers Infantry Brigade, Philippine Army, from June 25, 2024 to 16 November 2025. During this period, he has consistently demonstrated outstanding performance, devotion to duty, and a sense of responsibility in the discharge of his task. Aside from his primary duty as a Grenadier, he actively participated in numerous brigade-initiated activities and operations that significantly contributed to the overall mission accomplishment of the unit. His diligence in maintaining the operational readiness of this equipment, coupled with his unwavering discipline and dependability in all assigned missions, greatly enhanced the combat effectiveness and operational capability of his team. His outstanding performance has earned distinct honor and credit not only for himself and the 7th Offers Brigade, but also for the Philippine Army and the Armed Forces of the Philippines as a whole. By command of Brigadier General Taguba, Colonel Emmanuel R. Garcia, General Staff for Philippine Army, Executive Officer, signed, Captain Franklin G. Bukirin, Infantry, Philippine Army, Adjutant.
May I request our Brigade Commander, Brigadier General Alan Jose L. Taguba, Philippine Army, to be assisted by our Deputy Brigade Commander, Colonel Edgar R. De Los Reyes, Infantry General Staff for Philippine Army.
Recognition also presented to Corporal James N. Valdez, 896-729 Infantry, Philippine Army, in grateful recognition of his exceptional service, dedication, and outstanding performance during his tour of duty in the 7th Offers Infantry Cavitean Brigade. Given this 6th day of November 2025, the headquarters of 7th Offers Brigade, Sitio Bagay, Barangay Martin Marandan, Matis P. Signed, Brigadier General Alan Jose L. Taguba, Philippine Army Commander.
Congratulations to our awardees, and thank you for your commitment